In this short walkthrough video, we're going to look at adding and subtracting hours and minutes. So let's take the example. We put hours here, we put minutes here. We're going to add 3 hours and 52 minutes to 2 hours and 51 minutes. And there's one step here which is different because we're dealing with time. So just remember that 60 minutes equals 1 hour. And you'll see why that becomes important in a minute. So we add them as such. So first of all, start with the minutes. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Then 5 plus 5 is 10. And you write that number in here. You don't carry over yet. Next, you add the hours as normal. So 3 and 2 is 5. Now what you have to do is look at the quantity in the minutes section. So this 103. And if that is greater than 60, you take away 60, which leaves you with 43. And then you carry that 60 over to your hours. That's going to be 1 hour. And 5 plus 1 is 6, which gives you 6 hours and 43 minutes. Let's take another example of that. This time we'll do 4 hours and 56 minutes. There's our hours, there's our minutes. 4 hours and 56 minutes and 1 hour and 53 minutes. Remember that this just applies when adding time, because 60 minutes is 1 hour. So start with the minutes. 6 and 3 is 9. 5 plus 5 is 10. If you remember correctly, you place all of that quantity into the minute section. Add your hours as normal. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now you inspect the minutes section. If it is greater than 60, you take away 60 from it, leaving you 49. You then carry that 60 over, convert it into 1 hour. So that's 60 minutes becomes 1 hour. And you add as normal, so 5 plus 1 is 6. You have 6 hours and 49 minutes. Let's take a look then at subtracting. So let's take the following example. So we have hours and minutes. We have 3 hours and 49 minutes. And we're going to take away 1 hour and 57 minutes. So we start as normal. 9 take away 7 leaves us with 2. 4 take away 5. This we cannot do, so we're going to have to borrow. And again, it's very important to remember that 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So when we borrow, cross out the 3, make that into a 2 hours. And when we bring this across, we bring 60 with us, which we add to our 49, giving us a 109. We've already gone 9 minus 7. Now we can do 10 take away 5, which leaves us with 5. And then as normal, 2 take away 1, which is 1. And our answer is 1 hour 52 minutes. Let's take another example of that. So this time we'll have hours, minutes, 6 hours, 15 minutes, 2 hours, 56 minutes. Let's take them away. So again, when we look at it, 5 take away 6, we're going to have to borrow from the hours. So let's do that now this time round. So change our 6 into a 5, and we bring across 60, which we add to our existing 15, giving us 75. Now let's take away 5 take away 6 we cannot do. So we borrow and carry across. 15 take away 6 is 9. 6 take away 5 is 1. 5 take away 2 is 3. And so our answer is 3 hours and 19 minutes. So that's been a quick walkthrough video for adding and subtracting hours and minutes.